Oh, hi. Welcome to Chris and Edmi's Kitchen.
Hi.
You wanted to say welcome to Chris and Edmi's Kitchen first, so go ahead.
Of course. Hi, welcome to Edmi and Chris's Kitchen.
You did much better. See what you did?
That was on
You
purpose.
see what she did there? Anyway, happy Saturday. We're taping this on a Saturday. But it's a good day for soup. So
I know.
that's what we're going to do.
It's cloudy out. It's not too chilly, but it's cold and fresh. So
Meteorologist Edmi de Jesus just now. That's nice. Thank you. It's taking somebody's job again. You see me
somebody
acting?
has to work.
You see me trying to act? Anyway, we're doing something today we haven't done.
We're gonna do it like a soup. But we're gonna do it in a slow cooker. Because we're lazy. We just want to throw it all in and just sit and relax.
And take a nap.
Exactly.
And drink wine. But we're doing a yellow split
pea soup.
Yeah.
We're trying to be more aware of our immune system and our health. So we're trying to incorporate more turmeric in our diet.
For one thing, and to cut out the things that are not so great for us. Gut health, your immunity, you know, going through what we've been going through, and you start to hear more and more doctors talk and more nutritionists talk about the value of taking care of this, this to fight anything else. If we get, we get past this, and we will get past this, but a lot of people will have either lost their lives or gotten very sick. There's another one around the corner. It's not going away. You get a vaccine, there'll be another one. We're the ones who have to take care of ourselves to fight it off.
So we're just trying to boost that immune system and just be healthy so that we don't get anything.
Rah rah. We're our immune system pom-poms.
Exactly.
Immune system rules.
It's strong.
We bored you with that. Let's get to the recipe. What are we doing here?
Pretty easy. You can do it in a regular pot if you want. Okay.
We have the Susie snow cooker.
Susie,
our friend.
gave
This
us
is a housewarming gift.
Yes, we're very
We love Susie.
happy about it. So let me put a little bit. Now I will.
You just walked right up camera, hurt your back. Lovely.
Okay, so just a little bit of oil, 2 or 3 tablespoons of it.
That would be olive oil.
Olive oil. So let's put 4 cloves of garlic.
How many?
4
Of what?
cloves.
Got it.
4
Finally say.
cloves of garlic. This is ginger.
It
This
is. Not Mary Ann.
grated ginger. It's like an inch of, like 2 inches of
A piece of ginger.
3 carrots, and I use all the different colored carrots because
Cool.
that's what we had in the fridge.
Wait. So is that? It's like a purple carrot.
It's a purple carrot.
But look at
purple or
the.
reddish,
It's purple, but look at
it's
the inside.
yellow inside.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Here, look.
Wow. These look like earrings. You can
Yeah.
have earrings in them. Oh, that's lovely what you've done. No, I'm just kidding.
No. So 3
Trying to be creative.
3 carrots. This is a purple carrot. One sort of medium purple carrot.
Red
Oh
onion.
my God, I don't know
Purple
why it
carrot?
tastes like that.
It's a red onion that she's putting in, but that's okay. She said
What
purple.
did I say? Yeah, an
You said a
onion.
purple carrot.
This is an onion. I could have known by the smell.
You didn't even have a sip of this wine yet. Oh
Well,
man, that's strong.
I
That's
think
strong
I
as
need
strong.
more.
Wow. This is a Pinot Noir from California. Very nice. Soups are one of those things that, and you make it for, let's say, to have for dinner tonight, but it keeps going. If you make a large enough portion, it keeps going and going. You can freeze it in smaller containers.
That's how we
Lunch weeks later, but it really is one of
It
those.
just lasted for months and months.
Well, right, because it's one of those things. It's lunchtime. You're like, I feel like, what do I have? And you go, oh, hey, that'll be great. And it's like having a mini dinner or a mini meal for lunch. Yes.
Here we have
Shrooms.
mushrooms.
Okay.
2 cups of mushrooms, just cut and sliced. We have 1 tablespoon of coriander. And 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Because remember, we said that we're going to introduce more turmeric into our diet.
Hello, turmeric.
Hi, turmeric.
But actually, very good. I mean, all of the studies I've ever seen done about that tell you how great it is. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's just really good for immune system and overall health.
Split pea. I put
yellow split
split pea. I put 2 cups in water for a few hours. I drain it, and here they are.
So that's 2.
Just because I put it in water, you don't have to, but I put it in water because I want it to cook faster.
And rinse it
Of
off a
course,
little.
we're always hungry.
Yeah. Okay. But again, sometimes we eat with our eyes, and split pea soup with the green split peas could look a little like, but the yellow is much more inviting. to the
Yeah.
eyes, and I think something that seems more
I
appetizing.
mean, the green is a little bit more sweeter, but you know,
Yeah.
you do whichever you want and whichever you have in your house.
What are you doing there?
I'm putting
What?
vegetable stock,
Oh, vegetable
4
stock.
cups.
Okay. 4
and-
cups?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna add, oh, this is
Exactly 4 cups?
exactly 4 cups.
That's amazing. How do we do that? This is truly a pure vegetarian dish, which we don't, typically do. But for some reason this week we've been feeling a little, I don't know. This week I had a hamburger and I had steak and I never had beef twice in 1 week, and I did this week.
Really?
It's sort of,
Yeah.
and I felt it. It's not good.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm drinking wine to sort of make that pass.
Too
Like
much
I
information
do a
in this
lot of
show.
things. No, I didn't mean
We're
pass.
very familiar,
I didn't.
but
well,
oh my God.
well, take it as you may or will. Hey, by the way, I'll run it right now. So, under right there, you're gonna see our email address or Gmail address. It's chris@edmyskitchen@gmail.com. And for the first time this week, we received 2 emails. So please keep them coming. Both very nice
You
comments.
should not say that. They're gonna think we're losers, that we're like begging for
Well, we are.
emails to get.
I have nothing to hide, so that's exactly what's going on. But one thing we haven't really seen yet, I know one of your friends sent a picture, but if you're doing the recipe, and I see people say, whoa, I'm going to do that tonight. Well, if you do, just take a real quick picture and send that to us. We'd love to see it. We'll put it up in the show. We'll mention your name. If you did something different with it that you felt worked out a little bit better, hey, let us know. So that's why the email address is there to contact
Right
us.
here.
But I will say, even on all of our social media, I know some of you guys are amazingly loyal. We love you. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And sometimes just the kind words you say really kind of, in this time, keep us motivated and going. And we need each other. So I really, from the bottom of my heart, want to take a second to thank you. Yeah, absolutely. Anything else you do when I wasn't looking?
I just added 2 cups
When
of
I was
water.
running for office, anything else you put in
Yeah,
there?
I
What?
added 2 cups of water.
Oh, 2 cups of water.
And we're just gonna put it and let it cook. What we're gonna do when it's done, we're gonna add some cilantro, some chives, and some pepita.
Pepita.
Yes.
That's like for
Like
garnish.
pumpkin,
maybe.
yeah, like pumpkin seeds,
Mhm.
toasted.
Yeah.
But that's when we're done. We're
Alright.
not even close to be done, so.
The lid's going on, not only on the pot, the lid's going on us, I think.
Oh, and I added salt and pepper to taste.
Salt and pepper.
That's it.
Don't ever forget salt and pepper.
Let's see.
Lid's going on. This is so exciting. Anyway, we're going to set it, forget it. We'll be back in a little while. Talk amongst yourselves for the next 2 or 3 hours and have some fun. Oh, no, she's got to start pressing buttons. This could be.
Wait.
We'll see you guys in a few. Okay.
Select. Hi. Let's put hour and a half.
What a nice, what a table. Oh, I thought I had a resting table there for a minute. Well, it's about 3 days later since we made the soup, but here it is, piping hot. And we've got a wet, rainy, cold day outside.
Yeah.
Just kind of casual hanging out here.
The soup.
Yeah, so this is soup weather.
Look how smoky it is. I don't know if you can see it from there, but
I gotta be honest,
it's very hot.
we just came in from outside, so I'm warming my hands on the bowl.
Yeah.
It's all good. But it is soup season, and again, this is a yellow split pea. The recipe's there. I hope you try it. It's thick.
I hope you like it because it's actually really good and it's vegetarian.
This one is, yeah.
Maybe vegan, this one good.
It's clearing my sinuses.
Turmeric.
And turmeric. Very good for you.
Yep.
So again, we're going to end it real quick. This is going to be kind of hot. Let's hope we don't burn out time. Let's see what happens. But
It's good.
until next time.
And you tried it. Okay.
She's not drinking, but somebody has to. Win for Metro. Until next time, stay safe. We'll see you soon. This is good. This is good.